high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
What's up guys, good morning. Here at Simonstown, it is shaping up to be a gorgeous day. Super excited for today's dive. We're going to be going to Miller's and going to be looking for some cow shocks. So yeah, that's going to be interesting. Hopefully I get some gorgeous footage of them. Apparently they've been quite scarce, so I'm not sure if we'll find anything. Who knows? I mean, anything can happen, so let's just hope for the best. And in the light of today's spearfishing competition being held by the Blue Spearers, we definitely taking the spear gun with, and we'll be shooting some fish. Who knows? See what happens. But yeah, it's gonna be a gorgeous day. Let me show you guys. Yeah, looks amazing. Anyway, I'll see you guys there. What's up guys, just arrived at Miller's Point. The water is looking very nice. There is a bit of swell, but not too bad. The chlorophyll charts they sent through on our group last night were looking nice, so hopefully the water will show that. Show you guys how it looks. Yeah, it does look quite good. Super excited. So Jessica and I'm gonna get dressed now. Unfortunately my nephew can't join me today because he was in a motorcycle accident and broke his elbow, so he's in the hospital, which is unfortunate, but yeah, it's okay. I'll get him some cool videos of sharks. But anyway, let's get busy.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. And go.
Woo! Yes! Woo! Lizzie! How beautiful was that shark? Oh my gosh! Oh, that was an amazing experience. I love that. Hopefully see a few more. That was epic. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Woo!
weakness comes and goes, it goes. goes, it goes. My weakness echoes in my soul. Oh, it echoes in my soul. My weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes.
Oh, guys, that was a phenomenal dive. Really loved the experience of the sharks. It was so enlightening. I'm so glad I got to see one and not be frightened of it, because my first experience, my friend or my nephew, my cousin Ruan and I, we saw one and we didn't expect it at all, and it scared the life out of us, honestly. But this was far more chilled. I actually knew what type of shark it was. I knew that they were quite docile and they're not aggressive to humans, so it was really fun and really enjoyable. Got to see a few new species as well. It's called wildepaarden in Afrikaans. A really pretty, almost looks like a stump nose but with stripes fish. So a couple of big galjoen was really nice as well. Unfortunately didn't get to shoot anything since my diving window was quite limited, but it was still 100% worth it. It was lovely and I just enjoyed it so much. Jessica actually got a bit sick, that's why we had to get out quite early. She had like some symptoms from the food she ate, so she had some acid reflux. Definitely something to look out for when you're diving, as it can cause some problems not to eat too close to your diving session. So yeah, but it was quite lovely. Let me just show you guys before we go home. That's what Miller's looking at like the moment, and it was quite flat, beautiful water, and just an exceptional day. Awesome. Cheers guys.